I absolutely love Rainbow Restoration. My name is Jonathan Harvey. I'm a property manager for Colliers International. In this industry, it really comes down to trust. I chose Rainbow over their competitors just due to past experience. I've found that I can trust them, that they are true to their word, that they're going to use the right equipment, the best equipment, and do things in a way that's most efficient and effective for their customer, not necessarily for their bottom line. I could say that our expectations are met each time that we've worked with them because they're able to get us back to where we were before the damage occurred. And that's the most important thing, to do it timely and to do it right. Yes, I recommend Rainbow Restoration to others because of the job that they've done for me personally. I've experienced working with them over the years, and I can tell you that they do a great job.